Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Playtex Sport. This is the Flex Fit, and it just has regular and super in here. It has 18 of each of these, so it's a 36 multi-pack, and it just says sport for protection for bodies in motion, protection, and it just says it in a different language. I'm sorry guys, I was about to read that. But it just says unscented, non-perfumes. And then I just want to show you guys the box. So on the back, I'm not going to read this because I just want to explain it. But this one, it just says a 360 sport level protection. Flex Fit, 2 layers. And then it just shows what they look like. I am actually going to show you guys the inside of the box too. So in here, when you first purchase the box, you're gonna open it, and guys, this is a brand new box. I actually haven't used any of these. I just wanted to open it to show you guys. But when you purchase this box, this middle part actually comes in the middle of these tampons. So this part goes in the middle because it separates super on that side and then regulars on this side, as you guys can see, because they're like lined up this way. And then it gives you guys this. So quick story time. When I was younger, I never was allowed to wear tampons, and actually I didn't even get my period until I was 17. So I've only had my period, it's going on I think 4 or 5 years now because I'm 21. And the reason I got my period so late was because I was like a competitive dancer, so my body mass was too low. So my period didn't come till like later on in life. And when I started to get my period, I only wore pads, and it was really difficult for me, especially being in competitive dance, because you wear leotards and stuff like that, and that's just like very irritating. So I would go behind my mom's back and I would use tampons. Well, it turns out a big reason why she was so against them, and I just found out about this about a year ago. But this is another reason why I love this brand of tampons, because you rarely see people do this or warn you about this. But there is this thing called, and I don't know if it's on this side. Let's see. There's this thing called toxic shock syndrome. It's called TSS, as you guys can see right here. And basically what it is if you have your tampon in for too long, if it starts to become like infecting the inside of you, or like it's basically like a toxic shock, like the blood has been sitting in you too long, or the tampon has been sitting in, that you start to receive toxic shock. And when I first found out about this, I was really scared, because I know sometimes I would like leave my tampons in longer than usual, and guys, never do that. But I really do appreciate this brand because it tells you what the warning signs are. Get fevers, vomiting, diarrhea, fainting or near fainting when standing up, dizziness, or a rash that looks like a sunburn. And if you receive those, then you most likely have toxic shock syndrome, and this can be very detrimental. I've read stories where females have died, and I've read other stories where some women have had to get amputations. So like, just be very careful. Make sure you're following the time limits and when you need to be taking out your tampons or leaving them in. Just be very, very cautious to that extent, because you don't want anything to happen to you. Like, you just want to be cautious, you want to be doing the right thing. And yeah, so going back to the tampons, guys, definitely if you don't know about this, then this comes in the box too, and it actually separates it. So I actually keep this with me, even though I have about 5 or 6 of these cards now, because I always purchase this brand of tampons. I always keep this card just because I'll always ask girls, like every time I see them using a tampon, like, oh, do you know about toxic shock syndrome? And if they don't, I'll just hand out these cards. And so like, yeah, I'm your nearest toxic shock flyer woman, I guess. But yeah. But getting back to this, like I said, there are 2 types that come in here. This is the super one, and this is the regular. So starting off with the regular, I'm just gonna open it just to show you guys. So a lot of problems that I usually have with tampons is that when I try to open them, usually the applicator falls apart. So just depending on what tampon you get is going to be dependent on how well assembled the applicator is. But this is just the super one, and so like I said, I literally just took that off with one hand and it didn't fall apart, which I really do love. But this is the super. I really do like this because it's very comfortable, and a lot of supers that I purchase are very like uncomfortable and they kind of hurt my uterus and all of that. So I love this. It has such a good like flexi fit, and like it says right here, the absorbance rate of this one is so good. So I do love this one. And this one is the regular one. I love this one too, just because you definitely can tell the difference between a regular and a supers. Sometimes I feel like they try to like cheat me like out of it and it's almost the same. And so especially for girls who have like a heavy blood flow, it's kind of hard to tell when you kind of need a super or when a regular. But the reason I like these so much is because they absorb so much, so it's almost as if like a regular can be a super. But I really do love this brand. Like I've stated before, I definitely would get it over and over again. And this is just the Playtex Sport Flex Fit, and it has 18 regular and 18 super.